Elisa, what's up? Welcome back to the dashboard of your website. We fixed up WooCommerce earlier. That's awesome. That's all hooked up. Plugins right now we've got zero updates. That's awesome too. This thing is tight. We're gonna do a little sorting here. I kind of got started and practiced with this before I started the video, so we're already part of the way there. But what we're going to do is we're going to sort bracelets. So go ahead and filter that. And this is going to be the same step. Have you do it when you do earrings or pendants or rings or whatever. But so we're going to go into bracelets or our sort by and filter that. So now we've got we're ready to go here. We're going to hit this button, sorting. Go ahead and click on that, and that's going to actually move it to a slightly different view because these are the items I've already sorted. This one I did in an alternative method, and I'll show you that when we get stuck in this process. So basically now we've got the custom saying, that's the second one. We wanted narrow textured cuffs next. I'm reading off of a different screen on the other side over here. And then narrow hammered cuffs with gems. That one, oh, ball peen hammered gemstone bracelet. That is the one we want. Fourth. I'm just going to move it, kind of put it back in that spot right there. So that's good to go. Ball peen hammered gemstone cuff draft. Not sure why that one's there. Flower fairy cuffs. So flower fairy cuff right here. We're going to drag that on up and put that one there. Next we're looking for sister cuffs and sister cuffs with gems. Going down here. This is what happens when an item isn't on the same page. We can't drag it up any higher than there. So we go back to page 1. We can't really like drag any of these down any further. So what we need to do is go to the second page, and what we're going to get into here now is sister cuff. We just want this one. We're going to edit this. And down here under advanced, we're going to go menu order. Hey, it's at number 116, but we're looking to have that at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And update. And we're going to jump back out to all products. And let's go ahead again, select a category. We're going back to bracelets. We're going to filter that. And then we were on page 2, jump back over to page 2, and we're going, where are you? Sister cuff bracelet with a gemstone. We're going to edit that, and we're going to put this guy advanced in position number 8, and go ahead and update that. So that's, again, the second way to do that when you don't have everything on the same page. And as long as we're right here, I'll show you what's going on with pricing. So variable product, we've got that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go under variations. And here's where you can like preset like the form value. So I've got turquoise and then, an item in there. I tried to go with like maybe grabbing one of the gems that's in the display to sort of start this thing off. But I need to jump back to your site real quick, and we're looking for, which item is this? Because I'm going to get the sister cuff bracelet with a gemstone. So I'm going to change the price, but once you get into changing the price, it deletes the price that was previously in there. So you need to sister cuff bracelet with gemstone. back to page 1. Where is that? Sister cuff bracelet with gemstone. 88 to 93. Why is that variable? I know why that's variable. Okay. This is probably not the best example, but yeah, this is not a good example. We're just going to update this and go back to a different item. All products. I want to grab something that doesn't have as many variations because that is going to make like a huge mess of other things. Where's our like simplicity or something that hasn't got a ton of variations? Sorry, I should have prepared this a little better. Where is something like this? No, that has double variations too. Looking for something with just one. Here we go. All right. Under variations, dang it, that one's got too many options too. I'm totally flailing here. Let's go to earrings because they don't have sayings in them, and it's going to be a lot easier to do this with something that doesn't have as many variations. We're looking for this guy where we have, well, now I gotta find that wishbone gemstone earrings. Gotta find the regular price. Asian flare. We're going back to that Asian flare. That's 78. So this is the example I'm looking for. We're going to go, no, damn it, it is not super failing. This $78. Variations. Okay, here are gem variations. This is perfect. Under add variation, we're going to set the regular prices and go. And then here's where we're going to put in the price, 78. Okay, so that's good. If, for example, we were doing this in the necklaces, you can pop this open and change the price when you'd find like the second variation has the longer chain. That's where the we're setting the unique prices for something that has two variations, like having pick your saying versus a custom saying. For all the gemstones with custom sayings, you're gonna have to go into here to adjust the price on custom saying. It's like super labor intensive, especially when you have 40 variations for the different sayings and then 14 variations for the gemstones, 14 times 40. Obviously, this page goes on forever. We've got 15 variations on this, so that was why I want to show you the example of how to change the price on that. Not the best tutorial, but I think it addressed those two issues all in one, and I'm going to sign off because I'm just rambling at this point. Right on.